traders, Jason here again with ForexTradersLive.com, and this is a free video update, however short it's going to be. I wanted to keep you guys up to speed about exactly what's going on with the video updates, because we've got some changes that are going to be happening. We've had a really good response to the technical analysis that we've been doing, and we've had some requests for some more in-depth stuff, as well as some people who said, hey, you know, I'd really just like to know where to buy and where to sell. I'm not really interested in sitting through 15 minutes of video from you. And so I appreciate the feedback, and what we've decided to do is we're going to kind of split this up, and we're going to do a premium service and then a free service. And in the free service, all we're going to do is cover about 6 or 8 markets, and we're going to tell you here's where to buy, here's where to sell, here's where to make your entries. And then you guys who are just looking for some free trading calls, it'll be a great opportunity, and we'll go ahead and track the performance of those buy and sells, so you guys can kind of keep track of how the positions and the calls that we make are actually turning out. Now, for those of you who want something a lot more in-depth, something where I actually get, I drill down in the analysis, I teach you the system that I use, and the Fibonacci ratios, the structure, support, and resistance, the CTS model, the trading model that we use. For you guys, we're going to offer an extended premium package where we actually spend a lot of time working and training with you guys. And you can find that on the website under the private client section. You guys can take a look at it. That's going to be happening here very quickly. I'm talking in the next couple of days. We're putting all of that together now. But I wanted to get with you right now, but we've had some moves that have happened here over the weekend, and I'm just getting back to my computer here several hours ago. I started watching all of this stuff, and I realized, well, man, I've got to get a video together. There's a ton happening here, and I realized, I don't have time to put to run through all the analysis with everybody. I've missed a couple, as you can see. I'm involved in a trade right now that just didn't get time to get it out to you guys, and rather than do 2 separate videos, which was my original thought process, what I'm going to end up doing is we're going to do one solid video, and I'll just sparse it in half. We'll start out, for those of you who are interested in just getting the signals, and we'll hit signals. Boom, 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 boom. In 3 or 4 minutes, you'll have all the signals that we've got and updates on how our trades are progressing that we've called already. And then on the back end of that, we'll go ahead and splice it, and for those of you who decide to become, or who want to become part of the private client group, we'll have some in-depth analysis. We'll go ahead and tear down these charts, and we'll start building that case for entry. All of that stuff that really builds great traders. And so be on the lookout for that in the next couple of days. Like I said, I'm pretty serious about getting that out right now. The other big thing that we're working on right now, traders, is the 3-day trader bootcamp that we're going to be basically taking traders through an intensive 3-day course. We're going to have 3 proprietary trading models, 3 days of live trading, and 3 days of education, all wrapped up in that one 3-day period. It's going to be very intensive study, and just a lot going on. And on the website, we've got an area set up where you can go and sign up if you want to receive updates for that. The projected launch date for this 3-day boot camp is going to be December 1st, and what we'll do is as we start to move closer to the launch, we'll start putting out some information about the trading systems that we're going to be giving you guys, about the money management, the trader psychology portions of the program that we're going to be putting out there. But since you guys are part of I haven't put any of this out to anyone yet because this is so new, but because you guys are basically, I consider you guys to a large degree part of the family, we're going to go, I'm just letting you know about it now. So if that's at all interesting to you at all, get on the list so that you can receive the updates when we put the videos out, when we start putting out the information on some of the webinars we'll be doing and things like that. But for right now, traders, that's all we've got for tonight on a Sunday. I will be back at it full bore tomorrow, and we'll plan on seeing you there. Until then, good luck and good trading.